In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Keep with Google Calendar in 2025. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a student trying to keep track of assignments and deadlines, integrating these two powerful Google tools can significantly streamline your daily activities. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that holds the calendar you want to work with. Google Calendar serves as your command center for scheduling events, so it's essential to have it open as our starting point. Once you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the right-hand panel where you should see a variety of Google apps listed. Among these options, you'll find Google Keep. Click on the Google Keep icon. This feature allows you to access your notes directly from Google Calendar, seamlessly integrating note-taking with scheduling. Now, within this Google Keep side panel, you have the option to add a new note. A simple click will open a box, inviting you to jot down any thoughts, ideas, or reminders you have in mind. Adding notes in Google Keep can be incredibly beneficial. It keeps your important information aligned with your calendar events, providing context and detail where needed. After writing your note, you'll want to make sure it's saved. Click on the Done button to finalize your note. It's a straightforward action, but crucial for ensuring that your information is safely stored and ready for future reference. If you wish to dive deeper into the specifics of your notes or need additional organization options, you can always opt to move over to the full Google Keep application. To do this, click on the Open in Keep button. This action will take you from the convenient sidebar tool within Google Calendar to the comprehensive Google Keep app in a new tab. There, you can manage your notes with greater detail, utilize labels, and explore all the organizational features that Google Keep offers. Finally, after clicking Open in Keep, take a moment to view everything in the full Keep environment. You'll see all your notes laid out with visual ease, offering you the chance to further customize or edit them as necessary. This integration ensures that your notes are not just isolated snippets of text, but fully integrated pieces of a greater organizational system. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly bridge the gap between your notes and your schedule. With Google Keep and Google Calendar working in tandem, you're equipped to handle whatever comes your way with efficiency and clarity. I hope this guide helps you to better manage your time and tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.